Welcome back. Tonight it's after 7, it's about 7:15 in the evening, and I just got dropped off this laptop by a customer who called me and says, I know you close at 7, but would it be possible to drop something in quickly? Because I'm kind of desperate. So I said sure. I always try to help out where I can. Also have a problem with saying no to people, which sometimes bites me in the ass, but other times it's okay. So I said, yeah, no problem. So apparently this HP Envy laptop came up with a fan error message that the fan was not spinning, and he, along with a friend of his, took it apart and took the fan out and cleaned it, and no longer making an error message or giving an error message, but it is making a funny noise. So let's have a quick look and see if we need to order a fan. But before we do anything else, we always test it first before continuing, before opening anything, because we don't know what we're opening. Right, that's charging. So that appears to be working. Okay. Let's shut that down. Let's have a look. I think it's almost time for dinner now. But let's just see if it's something I can order tonight. This one's not got any rubber strips on it. Wrong out. Oh no, fantastic. Let's see if I can find something that will open that. Don't know what they use, a kitchen knife or something to open that up with. Alright, let's try one of these. Nope. Another size up. That one. Yes. Right, we'll be getting rid of that screw. Okay, and that one. Won't be putting those back on. Right, let's prise that open. Huh. Right, so he said he heard a clicking noise. Let's see if I can hear anything. Looks like it's trying. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with the phone. Right, say no more. Let's see if I can get one quickly. Right, what is this one? ES 1000 NA. Okay. Fan, genuine fan, used. Do I want a used fan? Not really. Things we don't buy used normally. hard drives, SSDs, fans, casings like lids and stuff where the hinge mounts get broken. Just because you just don't know how long it's going to last. You could get a fan that's fine and then you put it in there and it doesn't last a month. Likewise, you could buy a lid assembly for a laptop because you're replacing one that has broken hinge mounts, and then that one could go within a week or two. You just don't know what you're getting on the used market. So it is a bit of a gamble. Probably not going to get a genuine HP fan if you go with a new one, but for the most part they seem to be fine. Normally don't have much problems with fans if I buy them new. So I'm going to go have a look and see if I can get a fan for him. I'm also going to have a look for this number that's on the fan, because sometimes you might have more luck with the part number than the model number of the laptop. That is a crazy long part number. Flipping heck. Alright, those are coming from China. I can't get it quicker than that. That's coming from America. JustInspired, can I help you? Alright. I'm online looking to see if I can get one for you, a fan for you. Just check the part numbers and so on. So, yeah, it looks like the fan is struggling to turn. Yeah. But, yeah, I'm trawling through different part numbers and stuff, and there's a lot of different ones that are not correct. And some of them are coming from China and some of them from America, and I'm trying to find something local that doesn't cost the earth, that actually is the right one. So I don't know yet. I've seen prices from like £20 to £60 for a fan. So it depends. Yeah. Yeah. That's sounds more like it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay, will do. Alright, cheers. Alright, bye. Yeah, he's pretty desperate. He needs it in a hurry. What about service manual? Does that show me? Does that show me the parts that I need? ES 1000. Maintenance and service guide. Trying to get the actual part number. Oh, parts. So number 5. It's a CPU fan. Yeah. So that's what I need. Does it actually say that on the fan? It doesn't, does it? Doesn't say that on the fan at all. Right, let's have a look for that then. Pre-owned, from China. Yeah, right. £62. You're having a fucking laugh, aren't you? Amazon. What? I got these fleshy leaf ones before for a different theme. If they're soon on fan, that would be good. Oh yeah, come on. We'll have some of that. I don't really like ordering stuff from Amazon unless I need it really quickly. And in this case, it looks like it was probably the best option. So there you go. At least I will be able to help the customer in a hurry. That is amazing. And I shall see you again soon.